Now we are ready for the summer spoiler.
Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is FABFITFUN for the spring 2021, and also I'll try to
debunk the
summer 2021 hint that they usually include in the last page. You see, like, this is the hint that we got around this time for summer 2021. So without further ado, let's get to today's video. This is the box that we got for the spring 21. So this is like florally spring kind of vibes. So I kind of love this box, like how it looks. It gives me like that positive vibes kind of feeling. All right, so the first beauty that I have is this. So this is the Gaiam Ultimate Core Training Kit, and this one retails for $50, and this one do include the core plus reformer and a mini ab ball. So this is the ball that we got, and you could actually work out from home using this stuff.
And the best part from working from home is that you could do it like anytime, like some other time.
I'm just being sarcastic here, but I really love this stuff. Next up, I have this. This is the Short Stories LED Indoor Planter. So this is how it looks. Wow, this is like the basil seeds they did include, and this is Italian large leaf basil. It's like you could grow fresh herbs at comfort of your own kitchen, and
displaying it in a kitchen is such a mood.
And this one retails for $62. Planter features a multi-spectrum LED lights, and this includes a 1 gram packet of non-GMO large leaf Italian basil seeds. OMG, this is such a zing. Solid yes for that. And the next beauty that I have is this one, and the first two products I actually chose, and this one is also the one that I did select, and this is the bucket hat, and this is from, let's see, Alice plus Oliver, and this is a reversible bucket hat. So this is one side and this is the reversible side. It's like the white canvas, and this is the other side. Bucket hat, wow. This is so cute. So this has got that daisy floss print on it, and let's see, this one it is for $85. Wow. And I just brought this because I actually got the duffel bag and it has got the same print, and I just want to wear this one with that bag. Brim width is like 2.8 inch, and this is reversible. And now, ladies and gentlemen, wear this.
Or you could carry a free bowl of soup for yourself. This is like a bowl, you know.
To carry a free bowl of soup. Next up, we have number 4. Oh, I think this is number 5. Oops. Pretend as if you didn't see that. Okay, and here is the number 4, and this is Lark plus Ives. I don't know if that's how it's said, but it has got scarves, couple of them. So here is the coral kind of color scarf, and here is the cream color scarf. So this scarf looks like a size of a
Handkerchief.
but this is more like a hair scarf, not like a scarf that would go on your neck. But
So this is such a mood.
this retails for $30, and these are 100% poly satin. This is the bucket hat, and this one to hide your soup. Now they are called partners in crime. Next up, so this is the one. I thought it's going to be much bigger, but this is the size. And let's see, this one is the Camp Collection Dip Dye Market Tote, and this one retails for $25, and this is the pink ombre dip dye used to carry groceries, beach supplies and more. Okay, so this is inside, and now the whole world knows what you're carrying in your tote. Now next, these are the products actually FabFitFun chose for me. The first beauty is this. So this is the Earth Arbor, let's see, 60 Earth Arbor Marina brightening ampoule, and this one retails for $38, and this oil features a spirulina and blue tansy to vigorously brighten and bleach the skin. Yeah, this smells like blue tansy. What is that? Sunday Rally, that blue tansy oil that we get, right? So this smells like that. So that is that. And next up I have this are the ones. So these are the ones, these are the three of them, and this is the reusable beauty round gels, and this is 3-pack ditch your makeup wipes for this reusable cotton round gels, and this one retails for $15. And next up we have these ones. So this is SF Glow Suns Out Pouts Out Lip Mask. Kiss dry lips goodbye. Botanical extracts deeply hydrates and conditions the lips for a smoother pout in minutes, and this one retails for $16. Bummer, I was actually expecting, oh no, I'm not expecting, I was like wishing to get the this one. What is that? Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup, and this is how the cup looks, sipper cup. So this is the cup I was talking about. So this looked so cute. Never mind, I'm happy with all the products that I got. Next we also have the add-ons. So these are the add-ons that I got. So this is the one that I was talking about. So this is Alice plus Oliva, and this is what? This is the duffel bag, and this goes so good with my soup bowl. So this is the soup bowl and that would go well with this duffel bag. So this is the bag. Now that's cute. Okay, so let's see how it looks inside. Okay, it's just plain black inside, and there is a hidden secret pocket. There is also the side straps, and the hardware is gold, and this is how it looks. Such a mood. I'm so ready for the summer. All right, the next up, so this is the one that I actually did add as well, and I just saw jasmine and I was like, I have to get it. Anything that has jasmine in it,
Take my money.
this looks like a gents perfume. I don't know, that just the look of it looks like that. Not so jasmine-y, if you know what I mean. I don't smell jasmine at all.
It's now we are ready for the summer spoiler. So this looks like a wave plus toxic. Soon we're going to get some products from Wave brand. So those are the products range that I'm talking about. Way detox, it could be like a shampoo because we have a lady with hair, and we also have Go apparently, and what we have next, it looks like a scalp massage. So that's what it looks like. So to me that looks like based on the clue it could be this. So that is the Way detox shampoo, like this detox shampoo or we could receive this like maybe a scalp massaging tool, or like a way scalp or body scrub. So one of those beauty products from the way. So these are like all the range of products that we might get. So one of these, or I wish for all of it, but we might get one of those products. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.